In this tutorial, you'll design a visual roadmap section using custom shapes, often used to communicate future plans and milestones. Start by opening Photoshop and creating a wide canvas with horizontal space. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw a long, rounded rectangle as the roadmap base. Place multiple circle custom shapes along the line to represent milestones. Under each milestone, draw a small, rounded rectangle for descriptive text. Use the Type tool to add milestone titles and short explanations. Highlight the current milestone by enlarging its circle and using a stronger color. Duplicate the roadmap base, place it behind, apply a soft shadow, and slightly offset it for depth. Zoom out. The roadmap now feels clear, forward-looking, and professional.